Did you know that in most offices, over 98% of print jobs are A4?
Tell me more.
Those oversized machines draw more power continuously. They take up valuable floor space that could be used more efficiently.
So TCO is something like an iceberg. If you don't look out for it, you'll hit it.
The real cost, the bulk of the TCO, is hidden underwater. That's the ongoing electricity bills,
I see.
the cost of the toner and inks, the maintenance, and the impact of downtime that's affecting your company's productivity. Heat-free technology really is a game changer. It's a revolution in how printing works actually.
Hello, welcome to Is It the Right Fit, where we help you rethink what you need from your printer fleet. Why? Because we know that 98% of companies could be using a more effective print solution. And in today's fast-changing environment, smarter printing isn't just about size, it's about fit. I'm Mandiri, and today I'm joined by Kevin Sutanto, Managing Director of optimise, who's been helping companies reshape their print solution for over 10 years. Kevin, welcome. So first up, who is optimise?
Hi, Daddy. Thanks for having me. We partner with Epson to help deliver efficiency, sustainability, and long-term cost savings to our clients using Epson's heat-free inkjet technology.
Okay, Kevin, in your experience, what is the key challenge for businesses when it comes to their printing needs?
I would say inefficiency. Did you know that in most offices, over 98% of print jobs are A4?
Okay, that does make sense, but really, tell me more.
They print things like reports, contracts, pay slips, and forms. A3 printing is mostly used for specific needs, like building plans or posters, which are often handled digitally or outsourced. Yet most offices default to using A3 printers as standard,
Nice.
taking up space and consuming electricity and budget.
So they're taking up precious space that businesses are paying for. Or why do businesses stick to them?
It often comes down to habit. Many
I see.
companies simply reorder what they've always used. Some also choose A3 printers thinking they might need the full range of features,
I see.
just in case. But in reality, these larger devices are often underutilized.
So should businesses just remove their A3 printers if nobody uses them?
Absolutely. Those oversized machines draw more power continuously. They take up valuable floor space that could be used more efficiently, especially in smaller offices where every square meter counts.
Then how do you figure out that right fit in the situation like this?
It's about being really targeted,
Okay.
aligning the printers you have with how people actually use them.
Okay.
Right sizing isn't a downgrade, it's an upgrade. The best device isn't the biggest or most expensive. It's the one that got used efficiently and productively based on the user's needs.
Right sizing, not downgrade. That's a good way to put it. Now let's talk about something else. How would you recommend people measure the cost of their print fleet?
We use the term TCO.
I've heard TCO mentioned before. Is that total cost of ownership?
Yes, it's the total sum of all the expenses incurred throughout the life cycle of a printer fleet. Picking the wrong printer can end up costing more than you expect, not just in the initial purchase, but also in higher electricity bills and ongoing maintenance. Plus, there's the hidden cost of downtime when employees have to deal with frequent paper jams or unreliable machines, which can really impact productivity. The real cost, the bulk of the TCO, is hidden underwater. That's the ongoing electricity bills,
I see.
the cost of the toner and inks, the maintenance, and the impact of downtime that's affecting your company's productivity.
And is this something that impacts many businesses?
More than you think. Imagine a department has a high-end color printer, but mostly print black and white documents.
I see.
That's just constant unnecessary expense.
And how does right sizing a fleet of printers increase efficiency and unlock value?
Because it lets you match the printing requirements of your team to the perfect combination of printers.
Okay.
Your HR team may require really secure, reliable black and white printing, so you provide them with compact, efficient A4 printers.
True.
Meanwhile, your sales and marketing team may need super fast and quality A3 color printouts for their artwork or budget sheets.
And once you've got the optimal printers in all the right places, what else can you do to help reduce TCO?
Companies can also consider switching from laser to inkjet printers if they have not done so. For example, Epson's heat-free inkjet printers are a great option for companies to incorporate into their printer fleet to help reduce electricity consumptions and consumables, and improve long-term efficiency with minimal downtime. Once the hardware is in place, Epson also recommends implementing smart management solutions.
Thanks, Kevin, for a very insightful take on TCO. Okay, speaking of long-term value and doing things better, can we talk about Epson's heat-free technology, as you've mentioned earlier? What is it and why is it such a big deal?
Heat-free technology really is a game changer. It's a revolution in how printing works actually.
Oh,
Most printers, especially the laser ones, most offices have used for years,
Yeah.
uses heat in the printing process.
oh, now let's get techy. What does that mean? What's the difference?
For laser printers, to fuse the toner, they heat up a fuser unit to melt the toner onto the paper.
Yeah.
The heat from this process causes wear and tear on parts, meaning more replacements over time.
I see.
On the other hand, Epson's heat-free technology doesn't use heat during the ink ejection process. There are also far fewer moving parts involved because there's no fuser unit.
Am I right in thinking that simplifying the mechanics of the machine has more benefits?
Yes, we're talking about 85% less power consumption as
Wow.
compared to laser printers.
Okay.
59% less waste generated from replacing parts like fusers and drums, less downtime, and far fewer service calls needed. It's often faster too, especially for the first page out.
And in your opinion, what are some of the things that people didn't know about the benefits of using inkjet technology?
Well, Epson's business inkjet technology ensures a safer printing environment that makes them ideal for classrooms, hospitals, and clean rooms in manufacturing.
Safer? How so? Well, I know laser printer has that smell every time you print or change the toner cartridge.
Yes, that smell is actually toner dust,
Ooh.
which is used in the print process for laser printers. Inkjet printers, on the other hand, uses ink, which eliminates this issue.
That's a great explanation. Really sheds light on how each printer works. Okay, let's talk about something many people overlook: the difference between laser and inkjet printers when it comes to the environmental impact. Is there any solid data behind that?
Absolutely. Our life cycle assessments shows that switching from traditional laser printers to Epson's heat-free models can significantly reduce carbon emissions.
Okay, some people think that being sustainable means sacrificing performance and incurring greater costs. What's your take on that?
That's misinformation. In fact, customers often tell us they get better performance, faster print speeds, especially for the first page, and greater reliability thanks to fewer moving parts.
Okay.
That means, in the long run, lower running costs and less downtime too.
Okay, for anyone unsure about whether their current setup is right, what is the first step?
A basic fleet check, we call it a right fit assessment. It's free with no obligation.
Oh,
We evaluate your current environment, find inefficiencies,
Okay.
and suggest a right size solution tailored to your usage, costs, and sustainability goals.
okay, I'm convinced. Kevin, thank you so much for joining us and sharing all that. I've definitely learned a lot. The big takeaway for me is that the stat you shared at the beginning, that 98% of print jobs are A4, and that right sizing isn't a downgrade. It's a smarter, more sustainable way forward. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you. Welcome.
So, if you're thinking about your own print setup, maybe it hasn't really changed much in years, even as your business has evolved. Here's some takeaways I learned about how offices can optimize their printing costs today. Most office printing is just plain A4, so moving away from those giant A3 printer isn't a downgrade. It's actually a smart move toward right sizing. Total cost of ownership, TCO, is way more than the retail price. Think electricity waste service costs and even your staff's time walking. heat-free technology. It's so much more efficient. It cuts power use dramatically by up to 85% and cuts emission. It's a huge sustainability win. Taking a right-sizing approach, using different types of printers for different needs, optimizes everything and always means you have the right tool for the job.
If you find this session insightful, please share this with the relevant people in your business. Or register your free Right Fleet assessment with Epson today.